前方。
They do. My dog.
Just look at how quickly this storm flipped the bus. The sheer speed of nature's fury is nothing short of astonishing. In this CCTV footage, you can see a dangerous flood sweep through a goat farm in just a matter of seconds. Thankfully, the goats managed to escape unharmed. This wind is so powerful that it swept the car away like a toy.
Oh! Yeah! Oh! Oh! Shit! Oh!
Back in 2019, a massive landslide occurred in China, leaving behind a path of destruction. This is a swimming pool during the earthquake in Turkey, with the water shaking and sloshing from the powerful tremors. Tsunami in Japan swept away countless cars and everything in its path.
何もかも完全に海水に飲み込まれました。ものすごい勢いです。津波が押し寄せ
These people were sitting inside the cruise ship when suddenly a powerful wave come over them. The landslide caused a lot of damage to the houses.
It's like right in front of. Oh my god! There is a freaking tornado out there. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god! There goes the trampoline.
A massive cloud of dust is slowly approaching the ship. It's a truly terrifying scene, an intense moment unfolding. Look at this massive landslide taking down countless trees in its path. Nature's power in full force. This lightning strike is incredibly powerful and bright. This hailstone is so dangerous and huge. It's like actual stones are falling from the sky. Back in 2011, a massive tsunami struck Japan, with powerful waves covering vast areas and leaving widespread devastation in its wake.
Adiós, coach.
water transformed this house into a boat and carried it away on its powerful currents. Dangerous Typhoon Karthon is wreaking havoc on the island of Taiwan, bringing terrifying floods and heavy rainfall. On November 30th, 2018, a powerful 7.1 magnitude earthquake hit Alaska. Although locusts are relatively small, their impact can be devastating when they swarm in large numbers. These massive groups can inflict severe damage to farmland and crops. As you can see in the video, landslide in Norway has swept houses into the sea, causing significant destruction.
Okay, just got home.
That's not good. Watch it burn? Ain't nothing I'm doing. Is that like a best picture? Yeah, I'm videoing. What? That's crazy, y'all. Oh yeah.
This volcanic eruption occurred in the Philippines, where the rise of lava upon contact with the lake's water triggered a violent explosion. This man is trapped in the floodwaters.
Oh man, oh this is scary, guys. Oh man, I'm sorry, I did not mean to swear. Holy moly.
This rock flood is truly terrifying, showcasing the raw power of nature as massive boulders and debris surge uncontrollably, threatening everything in their path.
Literally a hailstorm. Are we okay? Is there anything above us? I don't know. I told you a piece of my ceiling came out. Oh my god. Look at the... Oh my god. Oh my god, and I forgot. Look at this. We might want to stand back a little bit from the window. Because these are getting pretty big. Oh, these are beyond baseball size.
Though an avalanche moves slowly, it can destroy everything in its path.
Look at that damn wind, cuz. Woo!
It's hard to believe this ship weighs 230,000 tons, yet the wind pushed it so effortlessly.
Oh! Oh! Kissing it! Kissing it! Oh! Connection, baby.
A rock slide tumbling from a great height presents a truly terrifying spectacle.
देखिए कितना भयानक मंजर ये देखिए कितना भयानक मंजर लाइव हुआ है ये देखिए बहुत भयानक मंजर तो क्या हो जाए कुछ पता नहीं है
Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah.
Being right by the water is not always a good thing at every beach.
This is a massive job.
This landslide is slowly but surely sweeping away countless trees in its path.
partendo questa arriva dalla strada.
This is absolutely incredible. This hailstone is extremely dangerous. The vehicle has sustained significant damage.
Dat was enorm dicht.
Maar waar staat? Dat was hier, hè? Mensen lopen niet op weg.
This storm is so powerful that it overturned massive tankers in just a matter of seconds. Nothing truly compared the sheer power of water.
यही पे रुक जाना है और नहीं आगे मत जाना है अम्ब्रेला नहीं है ना वो बादल नहीं वो पानी का ये है पानी है वो पानी का ये है हाँ
Thanks for watching our videos. If these jaw-dropping scenes caught your attention, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Remember, awareness and preparation are key to staying safe. See you in the next video.